Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome to a little video today. So today we're going to the SAAQ inspection. My Subie is gonna get inspected today. So what did I do so far? All the muffler stuff is on. I put back the fuse chip in the traction control. I took out, actually, believe it or not, my pipe with the muffler tip. So my car is complete stock right now. So I'll see you guys there. Let's hope we get past. Alright, so let me give you guys a better in-depth detail. So basically what needs to be repaired is you got a light over here, two lights actually, one on each side. So this one needs to be repaired. The brake discs, I'm not sure if it's all four of them or just this one, but the brake disc on this side needs to be repaired completely. Both tie rods in the front need to be repaired, and apparently he says to get a new bumper or to get like bumper clips, but I didn't mention to him that my bumper is broken. Like, obviously he could have saw this, that you can repair the bumper. If you guys know any place where to get an Impreza bumper for a hatchback 2008, obviously hit me up. So until then, I have 48 hours to get all this repaired until my car is not legal on the road. But I did drive with my car for one straight full week, obviously illegally, and everything's fine. Am I disappointed? Kind of, because I only went there for an exhaust check, but then he goes throughout the whole car. So I don't give a shit, honestly. I'm just, $113 gone on the garbage. I didn't even pass. Honestly, I'm not going to that place ever again. It's I'm gonna leave I'll show it to you guys I'll type in the address of the place in the description. You guys can check them out. But car runs fine, drives good, no dents, no rust, no noises, no problems, no lights on the dash. I don't see the problem. It's just mechanical stuff that they want fixed until they get my car done. Oh, here's one thing I forgot to mention, you guys. When I go back there, it's an extra $45 fee. So I believe, as far as I understood, it's like $45 extra plus another $113. So they're pretty much making over $160 on me. So for that reason, I'm just gonna drive the car the way it is right now, and that's it. There's nothing I can do. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do, please let me know, either on Instagram, either on YouTube, on my comments. I don't know, but the guy seemed like he wanted to find something to pin me on. It's ridiculous. Alright, so we finally made it. Had a hard time actually finding a place, but Siri was very good to me. We found the place right here, so we're gonna see if they can take me earlier. If not, we'll wait. I'm sorry, but that just looks like I don't approve on that. Alright, so now I just gotta find the place where they actually have the inspection. I'm guessing it's right over here, right in front of me. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get in and see what we can do. Okay, so apparently they need the registration of the car. I have a feeling I'm gonna pass. I have that good gut feeling I'm gonna pass, so everything's gonna work out fine. Let me just get the registration, we're good. Alright, so right now they got the keys to the car. The only problem is that the inspection for the price is kind of high, to be honest. I was told on the phone it was gonna be like $80. Now I come here, they're telling me it's $120 for just a car inspection. I find it kind of outrageous, but it's a one-time thing, and we're gonna see what they say. Honestly, I should pass inspection. Car's stock, so. Alright, so I'm at the inspection place. It is Tuesday. My appointment is for 1 p.m. I'm pretty early, but one thing I'm really disappointed in is that the fact that I spoke to a guy maybe what was it, Friday? He told me it was $80 plus tax. Now that I get here, they literally tell me now it's double the price. $120 just for a freaking inspection. Like, wow, that's literally half of my paycheck. I'm not too happy about that. But I called other inspection places for SAAQ specifically. It's pretty much the same place everywhere else, so got no choice, guys, got no choice. Let's just hope, pray to God, that these guys pass me. Alright, there's my baby. She's about to be going to inspection. Beautiful rally armor. You better pass the inspection. I think we have a little Subie crow. Look at that baby right there. STI as well. Woo. Alright, so I got unfortunate news. Because of some mechanical stuff, my car did not pass inspection. I'm actually kind of disappointed because I wasn't here. I even told the guy I wasn't even here to do a full mechanical inspection. I'm only here to literally just do like make sure the muffler is fine, everything is good. But they found like 4 things that need to be repaired. That's why they didn't pass me. So I pretty have like 48 hours to repair all this until the car is not legal on the road. But you know what? Here. Alright, so this is basically the list. It's in French, but basically it's the tie rods in the front that need to be repaired. The light over here for the license plate. This one works, but that one doesn't. That needs to be repaired. The disc. You know what? Let me know in the comments. Do you think the discs need to be repaired? I don't think so. I think they're fine. I mean, it's fine. And also the front bumper, he literally shook the whole front bumper and he tells me that needs to be repaired. So basically mechanical issues. So in 48 hours the car is not gonna be street legal. You know what? I just wasted $113 and you know what? Screw this place. I'm gonna drive my car regardless. You know what? It just annoys me that they would search for every little thing. And it's gonna cost me about $450 to get this all repaired. So it's kind of disappointing. So very disappointing. Subie didn't pass inspection. Mechanical wise, not loud sound wise. So we'll get that repaired with my mechanic and we'll see from there. Thank you guys very much for watching and I'll see you soon.